You can publish an invoice to the client portal so the client can access and view it. The client cannot see any invoice that you do not manually publish. There's a few places you can do this in DesignerLogic, and the quickest way, if you're used to it, is to click on the invoices link in the project dashboard, where you can view all the invoices on that specific project. Simply select the invoice you want to publish to the client portal, choose bulk actions, and then select the publish to client checkbox and click update. What that will do is it will publish that invoice to the client portal and send your client an email notification that they have a new invoice to view when they log in. Now, a more detailed way to do this so you can really see what's going on with the client portal is to go to the client portal by clicking on the client portal button from the dashboard. And here you'll see the designer's view of everything that's going on in the client portal, and you can click on any of these tabs to view what you want to see the client can see. Now if we click on the Invoices tab, we can see we already have some invoices that are already published to the client portal from other projects. This client has more than one project in this example. So if we want to publish a new invoice that is not yet published, we click on the Not Published link. And here we can see all the invoices that are not yet published to the client portal. Now these invoices the client does not have access to. If we check the invoice or invoices that we want to publish and click on the Change Published status, this gives us the option to check to publish to client, click update, and what that does is it will remove it from the not published list, and if we go to the published list, you'll see that it's now published and the client will have an email notification about that, and what the client will see, we'll go to the client's view. This is the client portal here, and so if we go to the invoices section, here you'll see a list of all the invoices that were published, and this is the invoice we just published right here. And if they click on Open Invoice, they can view that invoice and all the items that are on it. Lastly, we'll show you how to make a payment link if you want the client to be able to pay, say, directly to a QuickBooks or Stripe invoice or PayPal invoice or something like that. Back on your page where you have your designer view of the client portal, if you open up the invoice itself by clicking on the number, where you can see the invoice and all the items on it, and you go to Edit Add and click Edit Header. If you scroll down here, you'll see there's a payment URL field right here. So here you can just paste in your invoice URL, and when you click Save and Close, what that does is that will create the button for the client. If we go back to the client view, it'll create a button like this that says Make Payment that will go directly to that URL invoice, and when they pay that, they'll log it automatically into, in this case, your PayPal account. So this is a really quick and clean way to publish and show clients invoices and link to payment pages where they can just pay you directly.